Today, I'm going to show you how to enable call recording on your iPhone running iOS 18. This feature can be super useful for various reasons, so let's get right into it. Before we dive in, it's important to mention that recording calls may be subject to legal restrictions depending on your location. Always ensure you have consent from other party before recording any calls. Currently, iOS does not support native call recording, but you can use other apps to do so. Some popular options may be Rev Call Recorder, TapACall, and further. So, to do call recording in iOS 18, you may need to have another phone. So while you are talking with that person, you can simply record the call through another phone. That is one way. Another is by simply downloading some other apps. And that's it. You've learned how to enable call recording on iOS 18.